We're back again with another vlog, and today's vlog is just a quick review of my hotel room at the Travelodge in Southampton Eastleigh. Not Eastleigh Central, Southampton Eastleigh. First thing is, they need to get back on time. Look, so I've got keys. Let me know in the comments if you prefer room keys like this, or do you prefer when the hotel gives you like a key where you slot in like by the door. So just let me know what you prefer. Do you prefer old style with actually room keys, or do you prefer actually like fobs, for example? Okay, so here's a little overview of the bathroom. So I'm here for one night. I think this was about £80 for the night, which is about $95. And this includes breakfast for one. So here we got a double bath. We got a nice shower. I think it's a very powerful shower, which is good. Which leads on to the bed. I believe this is a double bed. I think when you book a Travelodge or if you book a Premier Inn, you know what to expect. In my opinion, Premier Inn beds are much more softer, more bouncier, but the Travelodge is just a standard hotel room. You know what you're gonna get when you go to Travelodge. Downfall, the TV. Very, very small TV. I think this is probably a 20-inch or 21-inch. So if you're gonna stay in room 10, just be prepared to have a very, very small TV. Some of the Travelodge I've actually stayed in usually have like a sofa bed here or a sofa, but for some reason, my room doesn't have a sofa. We've just got like two small chairs. Got a good view of, you know, a little wildlife. I think they got an actual river over there. So if you're interested in going for a walk, going down to the river, they got a river down there. I don't think it's going to be as clean as some of the other rivers that, you know, for example, in Colombia or Mexico. But if I was you, just head down to the river, check it out. If you want to read a book, go and read a book. Here we got a little wardrobe space. Got my bags here. Only provided me one towel. I don't think they provided me with a flannel or what we call a rag, what you use to wash your body. Actually, let me check. Did they give me any soap? Okay, cool. So you got soap here, which is good. Some hotels you go to, they actually give you like soap, shampoo, etc. all in a small bottle. But I feel like some people are taking them away. So they've actually got that dispenser where, you know, you can continuously use it and customers won't take away any of the products. So yeah, that's an overview of the room. Wardrobe, desk here, two sofas, double bed. I think it should be comfy. Yep, very bouncy and comfy. It's very spacious. Like I said, you got a good view of some trees and the river. You're not having a view of the motorway like on some of my previous vlogs. So let me know your thoughts on this room. And in my opinion, I would give this room a 7 out of 10, simply because it hasn't got a bigger screen TV. And also it hasn't got like a nice, comfortable seating area over here. Anyway, thank you for watching this vlog. See you in the next one.